Hey Transfer Academy, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate the assist.org website. We use assist in order to see which courses we need to take to get into the schools that we are trying to get into. So, for example, put in the institution that you're coming from. In this case, it'll be from Los Medanos College for the institution that we're trying to get into. So, let's say for example, we're trying to get into Sacramento State. Now, assist won't always have all of your majors, well, all of the majors down, but don't freak out. It doesn't mean that your school doesn't have your major. It just means that either it's not updated or maybe it's a new major at the school. So I would suggest looking at the campus's website to see if they really don't have your major on there, but they more than likely would. So for example, you would click Business Administration, you would click View Agreement, and it'll take you to this tab here, and it will tell you all of the classes that you need to take in order to get into the school for the upper division classes. So for example, you'd have to take Business 186, 187, Econ 11 and 10, and basically this whole list of classes except for example, you have the choice of taking Business 35 and Business 18, or you could take Business 35B and Business 35, or you could take Business 18. So don't be super overwhelmed by this list because more likely than not, I promise you it is not that complicated. But yeah, that's how to use Assist, and be sure to go over this with David so then you guys can plan out your ed plan. Thank you.